G'day guys, just thought I'd just share what I just replaced the door rubber on the panel van, the door belt front outer, they call it, from Rare Spares. That's it there. So that's the new one. So I'll show you what the old one looked like. And yeah, she was pretty knackered, pretty gone. So so you can see the clips that they use. Yeah, so I just used this tool. Just got it from Super Cheap. It's a trim tool. Just get behind there and click it out, and then put the new one in, which went in pretty good. I was a bit concerned at one stage. Ran from here to here. You can see the top of the glass, but yeah, it fits in pretty good. Pretty happy. Just trying to keep the water out of the bottom of the doors as much as possible, I suppose. I want to get the next ones for the inner there, and that'll just help push that glass against the outside rubber there. So yeah, they're a Rare Spares item. I was pretty happy with the fitment. There's just a bit of a gap sort of there, but I'll sort of fine tune that. But one thing I noticed while I've got you on the video, I'll just wind up the window with this Holden. She's got all the original glass, so if you see that number there, probably better if I stand it, HX 1153 4A. Now that's on all the glass bar the windscreen, and you'll see there on this number here, AHX 11, I've got my glasses, 53 4A. So yep, 53 4A. So you can see it's on all the glass, which tells me that this glass, all the glass is the original, except I'm not sure with the windscreen, you can sort of see a bit there on the tailgate glass. And I did notice somewhere along here, oh yeah, just there you can see it on that one as well. Pretty hard to get to the rest, but I can also verify that that front window has the same as the driver's side window. So anyway, thought I'd share that bit of useful or useless information, however way you look at it. But yeah, pretty happy. I've been wanting to replace them for a while, those rubbers, and having a bit of Rare Spares yesterday, so or close by, so I thought I'd get them, and yeah, just tackled that one and just sharing it with the viewers. All right, cheers.